Good morning, children. Welcome back to online class. So, children, in previous class, we knew about the man, the greedy man who killed his goose because of that greediness. Means because he wants to get all golden eggs in one day, that's why he killed the egg, but at last he didn't find any golden egg inside the goose stomach. So there we found that the man was greedy. Because of his greediness he lost everything. Okay, so children, related to that lesson, today I came with a exercise from that lesson. Okay, so let us do, children. All of you take out your English 2 famous fable, page number 5. Take out your books, children. I think you will get notebooks in these days, so you can start writing in your English 2 copy. But children, you have to write orderly. Means English 2 lesson 1 question and answers, after that lesson 2 question and answers, after that this famous fable. Okay, so hope all of you will do it properly. So let us start, children. Question number A. Circle the right answer. Here some statements has been given. Here we have to circle the right answers from these sentences. Okay, first question, let us see. A man had a magic fly or goose. What did the man have, children? He had a magic goose. So you need to circle in goose, Goose. Goose means botoko. Okay, second question. The goose laid a golden or purple egg every day. As I told you, the goose laid a golden egg. So circle in golden, Golden, golden. Now, the man sold the eggs and bought a TV or a farm. The man sold the eggs and bought a farm. Question number 3. Slowly he became very fat or rich. Slowly he became rich because he got golden eggs. By selling that golden eggs, he became very rich. RICH, rich means dhani. FAT, fat means mota. Okay, so he became rich. Fifth question. He was a greedy or kind man, you see. Children, after reading this story, what did we understand? We understood that this man is very greedy. Greedy means lobhi. Kind means doyalu. But in this lesson, this man is very greedy because of that golden eggs he killed his goose. That's why that man is very greedy. Question number B. Join column 1 with column 2 to make complete sentences. Here we have to join these columns to make complete sentences. Okay, here you can see half of sentences has been given which is incomplete. If we will add it, means these sentences will be complete, but we have to add proper sentence. Okay, long ago, like any other goose, and get all the eggs at once, or a man had a magic goose, and bought a farm. Long ago, a man had a what? A man had a magic goose. Match it, children. Next one. The man sold the eggs, and after that what did the man do? And bought a farm. The man sold the eggs and bought a farm. Third number. I will kill the goose and get all the eggs at once. Question number 3. This. I will kill the goose and get all the eggs at once. Last one. The goose was just like any other goose. The goose was just like any other goose. Here the first sentence long ago will be this: a man had a magic goose, 1 number. The man sold the eggs and bought a farm, 2 number. I will kill the goose and get all the eggs at once, 3 number. The goose was just like any other goose, 4 number. Okay children, you can match it or you can give hyphen and write it. Okay? Okay children, now we will see the next one, action time. It is work for you. Draw a goose and color it. Draw an egg, paste golden paper over it. Children, it is work for you at home. I think you are feeling bored, so it is a very interesting work. Draw a goose. With the help of your parents or guide, you can draw a goose, children, and color it. You can color it and draw an egg. You know the shape of egg, oval shape, yes, and paste golden paper over it. Children, if you can't find golden paper at your home, you can color it with golden color, okay, with crayon or with sketch, or it's your wish. You have to draw a beautiful goose and color it. And one more work is, you can draw an egg, and if you are having golden paper at home now, you can paste it. If you are not having, you can color it with golden color, with crayon or watercolor, what you want. Okay, now we will go to the next one. Okay children, now we came the next one. The plural of goose is geese. Goose means bottako, geese. Geese means bottako mane, more than one. Okay, write the plural of these. Now we have to write the plural form of these words. Okay, so let us see. Lion. What is the plural form of lion, children? Lion, lion. Its plural form is lions. Lions. I will write it again. You have to write here, children. lions. Okay. Now, what is the plural form of cat? It is cat. Now what is the plural form of deer? You will say it is deers, deers, but it is not deers, children. The plural form of deer is deer only. Okay, DEER. You should not add S here, because deer plural form is also deer. Okay, now fox, FOX, fox. What is the plural form of fox? It is FOXES, foxes. Okay, okay children, we have done this exercise. So all of you just write this and understand this. Write this in your English to notebook. Write with good handwriting, children. It is most important. Okay, and try to understand each and every word of these sentences. Okay children, in next class I will come with a new chapter of your English 2. Until then, have a good day.